Today I'll discuss with the importance of business environment. So let's start with the topic. So we all know that business environment plays a very important role for the all the organizations, whether it's a big organization or a small organization, and proper understanding and awareness about the business environment brings lots of benefits for the businessmen. And let us discuss what were these benefits. So basically there are I have categorized these benefits into 6 types. First is identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantages. Next is identify the threats and easily warning signals. Next is coping with the rapid changes. Next, tapping useful resources. Then helps in planning and policy formalization, and last is helps in improving the performance. Now let us discuss all these advantages, all these importance of business environment one by one. So the first important factor about business is it identify the opportunities and getting the first mover advantages. Business environment provides number of opportunities for the businessmen, and early identification of all these opportunities helps an business organization to be the first one to exploit them, to be the first one to enter into the market, to enter that product into the market. For example, Maruti company was the first company which recognized that there is the need of small cars in India, as as the prices are very high, as the petrol prices are very high, so everybody wants a car. So here the Maruti company was the first company who recognized the need for small cars in an environment of this rising petrol prices, and large middle class population in India is there. So they became the leader in the small car market. So in the same way, we can WhatsApp, everybody is using WhatsApp. In today's scenario we are using WhatsApp, and it was the first application for the Android phones for the mobile chatting system. Afterwards so many applications came, but still WhatsApp is the number one application in mobile chat. So a business environment gives us various opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Next is it helps the firms to identify the threats and the early warning signals. Threats refers to the changes in external environment which may affect the performance of the business. So environment awareness can help managers to identify all the various threats before time, and it serves as the warning signal. For example, I again gave you the example of Maruti Udyog company. When the Maruti Udyog company, they got the qualitative information regarding that more foreign car manufacturing companies are going to set up their business in India, what they took that information as a warning signal, and they started increasing their production capacity. So they accepted foreign car companies, the entry of foreign car companies as the warning signal, and increases their production capacity so that they can supply the cars without any waiting period to compete with the other new companies. So it helps the firm to identify threats in advance. And next is helps in coping with rapid changes. We all know that today changes are taking place very fast, and these changes have a great impact on the business. So it is very essential to understand these changes as early as possible, because business environment helps us to scan the companies and understand the changes. With environment scanning, businessmen make changes in their internal environment also to match the external environment. If we want to that changes are easily adapted in the company, we should match all the changes in the external environment should be matched with the internal environment. So environment scanning helps in coping the changes very fast. For example, due to increased competition, customers are becoming more demanding. and it has become very essential for the business enterprise to adapt rapidly all the changes made by technical environment, because the customers are very demanding day by day. So if the technical environment of the company has not been changed, it becomes a problem, it creates a problem for the company to manage the customers demand. So the next is, it helps in tapping useful resources. Environment is a source of various other resources for running a business, we all know that. So all business enterprises collects the inputs from the environment and supply its output for its customers. Businessmen have to supply the goods to the market according to the demand in the market. So to supply output, they need input, they need raw materials, they need men, they need material, everything. So they acquire raw materials and all the resources, keeping in mind that the output demanded in the environment. So they select the resources according to the availability in the environment and demand of output in the environment. For example, the demand of LED, the demand of 3D TV manufacturers, they are collecting resources necessary to manufacture LED and 3D TVs rather than collecting the resources for black and white or other flat screen color TVs. So because the customer is demanding, or the demand for today is LEDs, so nobody is going to nobody is going to buy black and white TVs or the color TVs flat with flat screen, because we know that customer is interested in buying only LED TVs. So rather to collect the information, rather to collect resources regarding black and white or color flat screen TVs, it's better to collect the resources, to arrange the resources which are required to manufacture the LED TVs. So in this way we can say that business environment helps in tapping all the useful resources. Next is, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. The major strategies or the plans and the policies in the company are formed keeping in mind the business environment, because the policies and strategies have to be implemented in the presence of environmental factors. So business enterprise can formulate policies on the basis of the information they collected by studying the environment. For example, on scanning the Indian business environment, we find that there is a great scope for tourism industry in our country. So the businessmen who are businessmen are planning the strategies to grab all these opportunities. Various hotels of private, public sector are making new strategies for tourists. So there is a separate travel segment set up, and separate fund segment is to set up to get the benefit of upcoming tourist industry. So in this way we can say that business helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Next is, it helps in improving the performance. With continuous scan of business environment companies, we can easily improve the performance by making changes in the internal environment which matches to the external environment. Organizations can prosper and always improve their market share. Thus environment analysis helps them to improve their performance. Thank you.